Hey guys, so today this is actually going to be my first product review video. This is a brand that I found on Instagram following one of the makeup artists that I really do like. So I wanted to give this brand a try because they have these pigments. It's a product I've really been looking for, and so I decided to order it and give it a try. The brand is called Peaches and Cream, and I ordered quite a few. So this is the Starlight Mermaids, which this has like a really pretty blue iridescence to it. Watermelon, which is a really pretty multi-dimensional pink. Bollywood, which is this pretty champagne gold. Famous, which is this really pretty gold. Cinderella. Mademoiselle, which is this really pretty like red. Priscilla, which is this really pretty pink. And Gatsby, which I believe is one of their most popular. And this is like a really pretty silvery shade. From that collection, I also ordered lashes. So without further ado, let's play. I'll see you guys in a minute. Oh, and don't forget, drink your water, keep your skin clear. First, I'm going to go in with my Plouise base and number 1. And I'm just going to pat this all over my eye, same as always. Now I'm going to go in with my Juvia's Place, the Zulu palette. I am going to go in first with the orange, then the yellow, and then this raspberry shade. Next, I'm going to go in again with Juvia's Place, the Saharan 2 palette. And I'm going to go in with this shade right here. I'm going to go back in with my Plouise base and cut the crease. I'm going to go back in with my Plouise base and cut my crease. Now from the Saharan 2 palette, I'm going to go in with this beautiful blue shade right here and put that right on the outside. And next, I'm going to go in with the Mademoiselle and the Famous. A minute ago, I legit just dropped like half of the Mademoiselle and my heart broke. So, and of course, cleaning up glitter is a pain in the butt, but it's always worth it. I don't know why I told you. Kind of felt like it. Now, they do recommend for these pigments that you use a glitter glue, so I'm going to go in with the, sorry guys, this is old, the Too Faced glitter glue, and just pat that on my eyelid. I'm going to use a flat concealer brush. This is also Plouise. I'm just going to press that all over my lid. Now, just to give the shades a bit more of a pop, I am going to go in with the Mademoiselle and some of my Fix Plus. Beautiful. And I'm going to go back in with this shade one more time for the corner of my eye. Now I'm going to go in with the roller liner from Benefit, and I'm going to do that on half camera, and I'm also going to go in with the Peaches and Cream lashes in 80, and I'll be right back. All right, so we have our lashes, which are beautiful, but as I was doing that, I was like, hey, I could totally use a little bit more glitter. So I'm going to go in with the Proper Fix glitter and Bucked Up, and I'm just going to do a little bit of that on my lid. So first I'm going to go back in with my glitter glue and just stamp a little bit of that on my eyelid. That's what I needed. That hit the spot. Today for primer, I'm going to go in with the Hangover 3-in-1 spray. I like this because it's hydrating, but it's sticky. So the foundation sticks on it really, really nice. Next, the Becca Cosmetics Foundation Skin Love in shade. Just a pump to a pump and a half, not too much. And as always, I'm just going to dot that all over. Just going to go in with the Sephora 202 double-ended brush and buff that in. Next, I'm going to go in with the Born This Way in light beige. Next, I'm going to go in with the Danessa Myricks Skin Illuminator in shade Serenity. And I'm going to put that on the high points of my cheeks. You only need a little bit. This gives like an intense glow. So I'm going to just tap that at the top of my cheeks. And then what I'm going to do is just take my Beauty Blender and press that in. Now when I put my highlighter on top, it'll give it a really nice glow. As always, my Fenty powder in Butter. Sorry guys, it's upside down, but I've used it enough times. I'm just going to press that under my eye. I'm going to bronze and contour with the Anastasia bronzer in Mahogany. Next, I'm going to go in with my Fenty highlighter in Mean Money Hustler Baby. I'm going to go in this shade right here. Now I'm going to go in with blush. This is ColourPop in Parallel. I like this because it's a peachy shade. So it goes with my nice bronze look. And it also adds a little bit of a glow to my skin, which I really like. I love a good glow. And whatever's left over, I just put on my forehead. All right, and lips. I'm going to go in with the lipstick Spicy from Anastasia Beverly Hills. All right, guys, so that concludes my tutorial today. Just my final thoughts on these products. I absolutely love these lashes. They are so beautiful. I also really like these pigments. They have such a beautiful glow to them. And they are extremely pigmented. A little goes a very long way. They're very affordable. I bought them in a bundle, which made them even more affordable. That maybe brought them out to like $2 or $3 each, which you kind of can't beat that deal. The lashes, I think I got 10 for 20, something in that range, which again is really, really affordable. They got here in 5 days. Yeah, 5 days, and that was actually from Manchester in the UK. But outside of that, I mean, this is so beautiful. I had so much fun creating this. Again, let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.